Hello, everyone, and good morning on this beautiful Saturday morning. My name is Tiffany Miller, and I'm one of the product managers for Groupio. And we are going to go ahead so this is a quick snapshot of my wonderful team who has worked so hard for the last 8 weeks. So I just want to say thank you and shout out to them. And so Groupio is designed to streamline and coordinate the planning and execution of travel experiences for groups. However, we found that the market research has revealed that there are several pain points that still have not been addressed, and that's including the itinerary planning, communication, timely decision-making, and expense tracking. So now I'm just going to get into a quick video demo of our product. Alex is a 23-year-old college student that wants to plan a fun summer getaway with her friends. A friend of her recommends
We can't see the
so
screen right
Alex
now.
decides to download the app. No? Okay.
I think maybe start again. Make it full screen. See if you can see it in full screen.
Okay. So when I make it full screen, it goes into my other screen. I have two screens, so it's flipping over. So give me 1 second.
We'll give you some extra time to move that.
Okay. Can you guys see it now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Alex is a 23-year-old college student that wants to plan a fun summer getaway with her friends. A friend of her recommends the Groupio app, so Alex decides to download the app. Alex creates her account and starts planning her first trip. Alex and her group of friends have already decided on the dates and destinations, so Alex enters the dates into the Groupio app. Once she's completed entering her date, she's now prompted to add the details of her trip. Alex enters the details and selects submit. She now has the option of sharing the link via email or copying and sending it in a text message. Once her friends have created an account, they are now added to the group trip. A day or two later, Alex goes into the group profile where she now can see that 5 of her friends have confirmed their attendance. The group books their flights and stays through the Groupio app, and now they're on their way to Portugal. Alex and a few of her group members decide that they would like to go to a beach party, so Alex adds it to the calendar. As you can see, once Alex has added the event into the calendar, she now sees that 2 of her friends have confirmed that they will be attending the beach party. A day into the group trip, Alex sends a group message to the team, and she wanted to know what people wanted to do for the day. The group can't decide, so Alex sends a poll to the group to make a decision. Alex and the majority of the group have decided that they would like to go out to eat. After Alex has paid for the group brunch, she now then sends the group expense. She now is going to send the group expense to the appropriate parties for their portions of the bill. Alex will now go to the expense portion and add the details of her expense. After Alex has submitted the expense, it will now be sent to her group members where they will now decide whether or not they would like to dispute it or pay the bill directly. Alex and her group of friends continue to explore the vast beauty and wonder of Portugal without having to worry about the logistical hassles. Thank you. Can you guys still see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your demo. Your slide that says demo.
It's okay, cool. So this is just a quick overview of the product comparison. As mentioned before, Groupio does plan to hit those pain points that some of these other top competitors do not hit. And in our market or in our research, we've received 37 responses from our survey and interview. And of those responses, 81% have reported the difficulties in organizing, coordinating, and managing group trips. In addition, 97% of those respondents have expressed interest in a group travel solution. The respondents, oh, sorry. The respondents were primarily individuals that were ages 18 to 41, and that included students, young adults, and working professionals. So this is our business metrics for how we plan to bring in our revenue. We plan to bring in revenue based off of bookings for commissions, transaction fees, in ads, as well as data monetization. And this was based off of just general research that our BA has done. And again, so this is a roadmap of how we do plan to, again, execute that monetization. So as you can see in Q1, we want to launch our MVP as well as our key features. In Q2, we plan to improve the monetization as well as work on our retention strategy. In Q3, we plan to, again, keep working on our monetization strategy as well as take advantage of seasonal promotions as the year does change. And in Q4, we plan to expand and increase our engagement and our retention and just continue to improve our outreach on different platforms. And this is just a quick overview of our cost benefits analysis. In year 2, we do plan to break even, and by year 5, we do plan to triple our actual revenue. And let us know if you guys would like to invest in this. Let's travel better together. Thank you.
Amazing, amazing work. And you actually got that done within 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's amazing, amazing, amazing job, Groupio. So for all of the people who are on the call right now, please put your feedback in the group chat, and then we're going to go over to our judges to provide their feedback. So I'll hand it over to Palumi.
Great job. Really, really thorough analysis, I think. I like the fact that you guys went into like the TAM, SAM, SOM. I think it's super critical in like just, segmenting and really getting deep down into like what customer segments you're targeting. So honestly, awesome job. Curious to know, did you carry out any customer like user research like to validate the idea? I'm not sure I really got that at the beginning. That would be the only question I'll ask.
We did do research. We did do, well, it was more of interviews and surveys. And so we did have about 37 participants that did send in that response. And that's what we did receive, were the key issues were communication, expense tracking, as well as organization. A lot of people did say that they're tired of emailing, texting, and just using these different forms of communication. And then they realized that they also spend more money because they're not keeping track of what's being spent on their trip. So we just thought that those were pain points, and we just found in our actual research that there are other competitor apps that do not actually have that.
Great, thank you.
Thank you so much. So we're going to go over to Jerome and then Deborah. So each judge has a minute to provide their feedback.
Awesome. No, great job, guys. That's a great product. I really like how there's both the pre-trip planning that you can do with your group, and then while you're on the trip as well. I think the value proposition there is quite good. Just a quick question about your monetization. Can you quickly go into a little bit more detail? I know there was a slide about the different areas that you'll monetize. I really just wanted to know a little bit more about how you plan to monetize the app. I love the idea. I just want to know a little bit more on the monetization strategy. And it may be vague. I just want to, yeah.
No, it's okay. Yeah, so we plan on the majority of our monetization coming from bookings. And so in our research, we found that 10% is probably about the average percentage that a company or a travel agent would receive in bookings. So that would be our primarily, stream of income. And in addition to that, we also decided that we would also have like a a booking fee. So we can add that into when people are booking their trips through our site as well. So the service charge as well as just ads. So we all know that ads can help free apps. So we also want to utilize that. So we have different forms and streams of revenue that we hope that would actually help boost our revenue stream.
I know I'm only supposed to ask one question. It's quick. Do you mean each individual would have to pay a booking fee, or the group just pays one booking fee?
Each individual. So because each individual will be making their own booking or any transaction. So each person who actually makes a transaction through our site would be charged a actual booking fee.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And then we have Deborah, last but not least.
Okay,
Hi,
Deborah,
Tim.
you want to just introduce yourself a little bit for the group? That would help.
Oh, sorry, guys. Okay, so my name is Debbie Mo Ekujumi, and I'm co-founder of Skill Hat, and I'm also a senior product manager. So yeah, I think that's it. So my question is, and yeah, I'm a mother of one awesome boy. Yeah. Okay, so my question, this was really good, by the way. If you guys take this to market, I actually will use it because it will help take my girl strip off our WhatsApp chat easily, right? Without the hassle. So yeah, kudos to you. My question is piggybacking on the revenue stream, right? Do you guys have like partnerships or collaboration that you have listed out that you're going to explore, to really that are really critical for the product success in like because I recall you guys talked about monetization strategy in Q2, seasonal promotions in Q3. So do you guys have any like listed partnerships or collaborations that you're looking to explore?
Right now, we are just thinking about having an API with Expedia since they do have a vast variety of hotels, flights, and accommodations such as tour bookings. So we decided to use their API and then later on explore actual partnerships with direct airlines. And hopefully that would help with connecting those extra seasonal specials, and then also kind of thinking about Airbnb, but again, that's something more down the line. But mostly we're thinking about the actual airline partnerships.